getting back. And that little clip you guys seen, I wasn't sure if I was gonna post it. Still not sure if I'm gonna post it, but this sucker's going back inside. Alright guys, so if it's not one thing, it's another. Just turned on Shadow, switch batteries because it's been a while that I had not turned on Knuckles. This dude, I just put on the new turbo like you guys seen on the fucking previous videos. And now I came across this. This is fucking annoying. Already, that's probably quick. We're about to start moving the whips. Pretty sure I mentioned on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do it. I'll leave the link right here. I did say that I was gonna move around a couple of things. This dude is currently down again. Something went completely wrong, completely bad with the turbo. I'll see if I throw in a couple clips so you guys see what it was actually. So this just happened. And started noticing that the A5 was fucking leaking oil. So before I actually just leave it stranded here again, taking up my space, I'm gonna move it to the cut and I'm just gonna leave it there and eventually save up for another KO4 or probably just a KO3 since it is going back to stock, and yeah, put it back together. So this is where I'm planning on putting Shadow. There's a pretty big empty space, so I'm gonna slap them either right here or right here, somewhere around here. And yeah, but as of now, gotta turn this dude on. I wish I had two GoPros so I could record how it sounds when it turns on, even though this dude does not have a cold start. But got so many keys on me. Where are the keys for this dude? Got him. Alright, so this dude's been just chilling. I know I should have started up. This hole is. So let's take out this battery real quick. Don't have my head mount. Sit this. That's the first time that happens. Sort of complete fuck up on my part. Idiot. Battery is back on Shadow. Now I gotta turn it on. Doesn't know where to do it from. There's no starting issue on this dude either. I mean, the engine is pretty fresh. Stock ECU does go ahead and give it that cold start. wreck them on the cut. So let's do just that. You guys just seen a cloud of smoke. Sucks. This is where it's gonna sit. Probably scoot it back a little bit and get these fixed. I do need a little bit of space when I be working in here. Alright, so we got it done. This is where Shadow is going to be sitting as of today and until I got another fucking turbo. Yeah, as much as it sucks, both B5s can't get smog. Still having a big issue. Do have a vacuum, so I just gotta mess with it and get this new ECU synced with the code of the car or whatever the hell it is. You guys will definitely see a video, just like you guys seen that little clips where I tried, but it just wasn't working according to what I was seeing on forums. Dude is still smoking bad, but as of now, at least it's not taking up space in my driveway. And I do have an extra tent, so I'm just gonna get the tent in here. And whenever we work on the car, I'll have a tent to protect me from the sun. Not that it sucks. This is how it has to be. B8 and WB5 just sitting right there. I think I might as well take off the battery from this dude and slap it back on Knuckles. Need both hands for that, so let me catch on the rebound.